viewers, my subscribers. Today I want to talk about a very important thing in our life that helps us to make success. And this one thing is faith. Faith is something we have heard of several times, especially in religious gatherings. But faith, sometimes they don't tell us how we can get faith practically. And they emphasize it so much. But during our time, when we are aspiring for success, faith is very important. You must know faith. You must understand how faith helps us to win. And this is the opportunity for you to learn about faith. Faith is an emotion of the soul. Anything we call an emotion is a feeling, but not of the body alone, but it touches the soul. Faith is a feeling of the soul, and faith is one of the major positive emotions. We have those which are negative emotions and positive emotions. The positive emotions are the constructive emotions. They help in the continuation or in the further creation of nature. So faith is one of those emotions. Our souls are, they very much, or they relate more with our God. So faith, being an emotion of the soul, it has a linkage with our God. During the time of creation, we are told that God created things by faith, and he blessed us also to create by faith. And now, how do faith help us to create? Faith, let us first learn how to get faith. Faith, we can get it through a number of stages. And one of the stages, if you get an idea in your mind, and that idea, you buy it, you accept that idea that, oh, I'm going to do such a thing. That thing, when you decide to do it, it is the beginning of developing faith. And when you repeat it several times, you reach a level of believing yourself that I must do this thing. I must do this thing. It becomes a must to do a thing. And there, when you reach a level of believing, you have a step further. And that step further, there you start drawing a picture, a view at a distant place, that come what may, I'll have a house of such a size, of such a number of iron sheets, such type of iron sheets. It will be in this kind of mode, and there you are developing more faith. You're coming up to believe until you have a clear picture of the very house you want to have. And there, if you have repeated beliefs of having such a thing, such a house, you, you gain courage. You draw a clear picture in your mind, an overview of the kind of a house you want to possess. And the more that clear picture appears to you, the more faith you will have. If the picture is very sharp, please, you know you must get that thing, because it is a compelling, it propels you forward, it attracts you to materialize that thing. So that picture, the more it is clearly seen, the sharper that image you have at that distant thing. When you close your eyes, sometimes you see such a thing, such a house just around you. You see yourself staying inside it. There, you know you have developed faith. And that kind of faith helps you to create, helps you. That thing, that clear picture you see, that view you see in your mind, starts to materialize, sometimes without even your control. There you are creating. Now, in our perspective of making success, how do we how does faith aid us? Whenever you want to do something successfully, create a picture, have a clear vision of the very thing you want to do. Know its sounds, know its heights, know its length, know how, know when, know the clues, know the time, the exact time when you will have it. Think clearly and ask yourself, within what time will I have this thing achieved? Put time that is realistic. Give it a time that is so realistic that you will start working towards it, and that clear picture will really be sharp in your mind. And when you're making success, you know, when you use this trick of focusing, of concentrating at a distant place where you are not yet, but you create a clear picture that will compel you, that will attract you to its achievement, mind you, success will be in your hands. I'm appealing to you every time you are focusing on achieving something. Think broadly, think in detail, put in writings, in drawings, so that you can have a clear picture of the very thing you want to achieve. And when you do that, that thing will materialize in your life, and you'll be successful at that thing. All my viewers, all my subscribers, I'm asking you, please keep subscribing, keep subscribed, keep viewing, encourage other viewers, contribute. You can dislike, you can make comments, you can ask questions about success, how you can start success, how you can make your business successful. This channel is intended to help you grow so that you can become a successful man, a successful woman in the future. Thank you, my viewers.